Are fast becoming part of our everyday lives. As we are all aware of the world's present situation of imbalance between the population and source of food, research has shown the projection that 2 billion people will need to be fed in the next 33 years. This incurs a huge problem and food crisis. Robots don't waste food, people do. 7% of global greenhouse gas emissions are due to waste food. 1.7 million tons of food and drinks are wasted along the food chain. Example, 89% of food is wasted long before products reach the supermarket shelves. That is why we young roboticists are here today to show you how to end hunger using our robots to reduce food waste on the farm, at the groceries and in the factories.
As a farmer, here is my mini field worker. It will help me with all the things that I need on my farm. It helps me harvest crops, plant seeds, control weeds, spray and thin, mow and prune. As you can see, it has just helped me control some weeds that were growing on my farm. And once the robot is done with all its work, I take my harvester robot and I work on to harvest all my crops that are fully grown. Let me show you an example of how Food Taker does it. Through this, it sends a message to this robot to know where to move. It goes forward. The ultrasonic sensor sends it to the robot and gives it the apple. Then the robot drops it into the basket. Next, it has to finish one job before it goes to the next job. So it has to finish all the fruit in the juice factory. It goes again. Food Taker here, as I said, is an intelligent distribution robot. Food Taker is intelligent enough to go and do his direct order and come back to his parking spot. Thank you.
Robots are fast becoming part of our everyday lives. As we are all aware of the world's present situation of imbalance between the population and source of food, research has shown the projection that 2 billion people will need to be fed in the next 33 years. This incurs a huge problem and food crisis. Robots don't waste food, people do.
The score results for 2018 World Robot Olympiad Nigeria regular elementary category. The first position and winner of a robotics kit, a trophy, and some toys to take to school, and the toys to take home, and also to work harder so that you prepare better for Thailand and for next year as well. I call on the one and only, and I mean it, with 160 points and 64 seconds, Team Imperial Gate 1.
Hard work paid off after all because they all worked hard. Please clap for yourself. Yeah. Yeah, they all cooperated. They worked hard, day in, day out, every week. Even when we were on holiday, they were in school, building tirelessly. And I thank God for the parents also.